Oh hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're moving stuff around outside and playing with some Merc parts, so tag along and see what we're doing. So what are we doing today? Pretty much just moving some stuff around and getting my lean-to situated a little bit better. I put a little extra support in there so I could get at the 51 Merc that's back there, the 4-door, and pulled the front clip out because I'm going to need that. So I'm going to need access to that in the winter time. So that's why I pulled that out. But I can get at the 51 Merc now, and I'll show you. So it's kind of dark in here because I don't have any lights. It actually shows up brighter on the camera, which is kind of cool. So 51 Merc buried here. It's got a whole bunch of hornets and bees or whatever in it, so I'll have to deal with that. Honestly, I'd love to be able to pull this whole car out, but it's still pretty much a complete car other than the hood and a couple window regulators. So window regulators are gone and that's all good, but the rest of this 4-door is still all complete. Everything's still there. The windshield's there, the back glass is there. Some people were commenting saying, oh, you're going to pit the glass and whatever, but well, if I did, I'll use that, because honestly I don't think I'm ever going to fix this car up, and if I did, it would become a convertible and I would cut the roof off of it and make it into a convertible, because it's a 4-door and it's really rusty, and so what. But I honestly think that this thing is beyond repair. That's why I kind of would like to pull it out again to take another look and honestly cut it up. I'd really like to get rid of it because it keeps collecting critters and animals and bees and whatever, so I'd kind of like to deal with that. And I think I need to use the front clip for my car, so I'll show you that in a second. What do you think? I don't know if he thinks anything. Anyways, so this front clip is toast. I mean, these fenders are pretty much toast. The backs are all dented up. Although they don't have Bondo in them. Mine are full of Bondo and patch panels, whatever, down the bottom. So these are better than mine in that instance, and the opening is good. So these will be good for reference and patch panels there. But here on these, my fenders are completely toast. They've been patched a bunch of times, where this is all good on this. This piece in here is good. The rest of it obviously is toast, but mine is completely toast up in here, and so are my fenders at the front, where these are a little bit better. So this will work for a patch panel, like a template, and this I might be able to salvage for that car. And both sides are pretty good like that. But like I said, both fenders are toast. This one's actually better than mine because that whole piece is a patch panel on mine that is like a piece of a fridge or something. So who knows? But anyways, this whole thing, I don't know that I'm going to use any of this part, but of course I've bent this all up. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Nothing wrong with that. Anyway, so we'll use that. And I didn't realize that piece of trim was actually pretty good. Cool. Always plugs. Of course, I didn't do that. Oh, I'm gonna hurt myself. Hang on. Man, I was serious about that when I put that on. Holy moly. All right, there we go. Yep. Oops. Oh, here's my car straps. I wonder how long it's going to take before I piss off all the wasps that are in this thing, or bees or hornets or whatever they are. They're all in that seat. They have made a lovely nest in that seat. Isn't this car a disaster? Man, oh man. Hey. Hello? Hello? You in there? Hello? I don't see him. I don't know. Let's clear all this out. Get all this out of here. Yeah. Let all out. Oh. See, this car is really good. There's 0 volts. See? None. It's really solid. Let me pull that out. Okay. Oh. Good times. So like I said, I want to be able to drag this out to, I don't know, strip it, do something, cut the roof off, I don't know, just to get it out of here, because it's, I mean, it's just, it's not really in the way. I don't know, I hate stuff sitting like that. I wonder if that, oh yeah, it's flat. Oh, the other ones are up though. Only one tire's flat. So, no, that's flat. Is it flat? You guys get in there and look. Can you tell? Oh, no. Oh, yeah, it's flat. Well, hopefully at some point in the winter I can drag this out. We ended up getting a bit distracted.
Come on, Dad. Really, babe?
No.
What?
No, thank you.